In this lesson, we will discuss mathematics of finance exercise 5.1 question number 9, and question we have: how much should you invest today in order to have 5,000 in 10 years if simple interest is earned at 5% annually? So again, this is the question related to simple interest. The formula I am going to write down here. S for simple interest. N means number of periods, payment into 1 plus I into N divided by 100 into M. So what is given here? Sn means S is given, which is 5,000. N is given, N and M. Okay, I will show you how to find out. And P is the requirement. I is 5%. So as I have told you that always you have to find out M first, and it says 10 years. There are no months, no weeks. It means M is equal to 1 and N is equal to 10. So here Sn means S10, number of periods. So number of periods are 10, which is equal to S10 is equal to 5,000. We have to calculate P. So we will just put the values here. Sorry, this is 5,000 equal to P into 1 plus I is 5% and then divided by 100, which converts this 5 into decimal. Number of years are 10 and M is 1. So we will simplify it. It will be 50 over 100. You can take LCM, but if you do not want to take LCM, we will just divide 50 divided by 100. We will get 0.5. So in the parenthesis, we have 1.5 now and 5,000. So we want the value of P. We do not want anything with P. So the simplest way is whatever is a numerator, you have to divide both sides with the same. It is 1.5, 1.5. So P is equal to 5,000 divided by 1.5. It will be 3,333.33 cents. It means if you will invest today $3,333.33, after 10 years at the interest rate of 5%, you will have 5,000. So practice this problem. If you have any question, ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.